Hello friends, welcome to Shades of Banaras. Today I am going to show you some exclusive designer pieces of Banarasi pure cotton silk sarees. These all sarees are hand woven on cut work technique. This is particular saree, on this particular saree hand woven motifs are there with meenakari in between. Silver zari border and pallu with silver zari motifs. This will be the back side. The saree is very soft and the drape will be very flowy for these. This is a pure cotton saree. It has a rankat pattern and all over gold zari booties is there between the two stripes, and in rankat weaving also small booties are there. This is the pallu. This is the border and this is the back side. These are the designer pieces. Came just 2 days back from weaving. Excellent sarees for summer parties and gatherings. It will have the brocade blouse. So in pure cotton, rankat pattern, and all over flower and leaf motifs are there. This is the pallu. This is the border. This is the back side of the saree. These are exclusive designer pieces available at shadesofbanaras.com. It will have the brocade blouse. This is a pure cotton silk saree. It will come with silver zari. This is the pallu. This is the work done on the complete saree. A kind of scallop border. This is the back side. These are very lightweighted and easy to carry in any season of the year. Very good for summer wearings. Will come with the brocade blouse. If you want, you can just see the captions below for placing any of the orders. We have only one website, shadesofbanaras.com. You can visit there for any of the collections and feel free to contact on the given WhatsApp number. Thank you so much.